What do you think a psychic's day is like? 500 years ago, they were expected to play black magic during the days, looking for little kids to kidnap and sucking out people's lives, taking their blood, and then flying out of the window and into the night. Of course, nowadays you pay top dollars to watch magic shows. Your own kids blackmail you every day, and the one sucking blood and ruining lives is the divorce lawyer your ex hired. Things may have changed a lot in the last 500 years, but it does not change our interest in people who seemingly have supernatural abilities. The kind that stand on the lines that divide us from the other side. Although psychics share the same 24-hour clock as you and I, many of them seem to work twice as hard since they start working through astral projections the moment they go to bed. But what may surprise you is what some of them do during the day. What would you say if I tell you some of them still do what we fear from them the most? The profession that earns your fear instead of your respect for what they do to you and your blood. Hope you have guessed it. Let's meet Shauna Kossoff, a psychic and an attorney. I am glad that I met Shauna in a psychic affair, as I would prefer not to face her in court. As far as I can see, she seems to be pretty good at both. I reserved a reading with Shauna because I was curious to meet a psychic with a JD degree. I was surprised to find a young lady who does not look like a psychic, much less a lawyer. She was very friendly and personable. I asked her to just read me and tell me what she felt. I was surprised when she read me like an open book. I then booked a private session with her. She gave me a complete reading and even told me about my past life. So Shauna, can you tell us, what do you do?
Thank you for asking. I am what I'd call an attorney by day and a healer teacher by evening. I still am actively doing court appearances throughout Southern California with a focus on family law. And my teaching and coaching and healing work is on the lineage of King Solomon. And I serve as a board member, board secretary, and co-founder of Mysterium Center.
That's amazing. If you were not so great as a psychic, I probably would tell you, don't quit your day job. But since you are really good, I want to ask you, why do you work at your day job as a lawyer?
I was already in my third year of law school when I got involved in the Modern Mystery School in Virginia. And at that point, there was no way I was going to give up law. It's something I had been passionate about going into college, and certainly as I got into the legal profession. I've always had a dream, and still do, of working particularly with people with disabilities and with autism on an international scale, as well as becoming a judge working with juveniles. But truly, the spiritual work is my passion, and I love the balance that I get through working with both.
So, do you think you have found your balance in life? I mean, working as a lawyer with the heart of a spiritual advisor?
Yes, I do definitely find that I've been able to find much more balance in my life through having the combination of the legal and the spiritual work. While the modern mystery school teachings, particularly Kabbalah, do bring in that left brain piece, I would say the spiritual work is my right brain, the legal work is my left brain, and both really give me an opportunity to reduce people's stress. The legal, through taking on their appearances so they have more time for all the other things they want to explore in their life, and the spiritual, they're helping people tap into their true passion.
As you can see, you don't have to be afraid of Shauna. I mean, unless you are facing her in court. Before we wrap this up, Shauna, can you lead us in a short meditation?
Close your eyes and take 3 deep, cleansing breaths, breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Breathing in love and joy and peace. Breathing out anything blocking you, anything stopping you, anything you no longer need. Letting go so you are ready to receive. The work we do here is about coming to know thyself. Only through knowing thyself can you truly honor thyself, love yourself, and love everyone in the world around you. Namaste.